of New Delhi Toastmasters. It's a very special meeting, firstly because it's the festival season, and secondly because it's very special for our club. So I am the acting SAA for today. I'd like to recite the club Toastmasters mission statement. We provide a supportive and a positive learning experience in which members are empowered to develop communication and leadership skills, resulting in greater self-confidence and personal growth. There are some few housekeeping rules. Number one, please keep your microphones on mute during speeches. To applaud, you can unmute your microphone or use the hand gesture feature of Zoom. If possible, be on video mode to enjoy the meeting. Don't be too serious during the meeting. Whenever you get the right time, unmute yourself and express your thoughts and feelings. Please avoid any crosstalks during the speeches. Please avoid using the chat section of Zoom during the speeches. It might disturb the speakers. Please avoid aggressive talks about religion, politics, and sex. In case of any technical issues, you can contact our host of the meeting. Thank you. Now I'd like to invite our MC for today, Chehak. Over to you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Astha. Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and guests. So today is a very special meeting for all of us at New Delhi Toastmasters. Post successfully chartering the club, in today's meeting, we are officially inducting the EC of NDTM. Each EC officer plays a very important role, and together, the EC is what is holding the club together. The success of any club depends on how well each EC member executes their responsibilities. And I don't have an iota of doubt that our EC will also do the same. So the installation today will ensure that the EC members understand their responsibilities and commit to adhere to those. As Toastmaster Astha said, that sounds like serious business, but that doesn't mean we cannot have fun at the same time. So make some noise, interact where possible to keep the meeting alive. I'll briefly explain the structure of today's meeting. We'll begin with what we're here for, which is the installation of the EC, followed by a speech by the president of the club. Subsequently, there's a very special keynote address by DTM Ankur. And to close the ceremony, we have fun-filled activities lined up by Toastmaster Plash and Toastmaster Sana. Now, everyone may be knowing that Toastmasters was founded in 1924. But can anyone tell me when were women allowed to be admitted into Toastmasters? Anyone?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Tell me.
Around in 70s or 80s. I think 80s it was there, and first woman was enrolled in Toastmaster as a man. But later on, when Toastmaster allowed allowed women to be part of Toastmasters, she changed her name. I'm forgetting.
Helen Blanchard, yeah, exactly.
Was it 1975?
It was 1973, exactly. It was 50 years after Toastmasters was founded. And look how far we have come. We have 4 women in our EC today, or rather the soon to be installed EC. Which brings me to our first and foremost segment, which is the installation ceremony. And before going into that, let me introduce our installation officer, Toastmaster Mohit. He lives a portfolio life as a project manager, a lawyer, a life skills trainer, a writer, a parent, and on goes the list. He's a veteran Toastmaster. He's our club sponsor. He's our area director as well. Besides this, he has donned many hats as part of his Toastmasters journey. And I believe there can be no one better than him to install the new EC of New Delhi Toastmasters. So please join me in welcoming to the stage Toastmaster Mohit.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Chehek. I feel privileged and honored to be here to do the installation ceremony for this new club. As Chehek has mentioned, I'm here to install the officers for New Delhi Toastmasters Club and also to prepare them for the challenges that lie ahead. I would request all the new officers to be attentive, and I'll try and have them spotlighted in the panel right now. I'll introduce them one by one, and then let's have them together in one view, one frame. First of all, I would like to request Richa Sanghai, who's going to become the Sergeant at Arms. Is she here? Richa.
Yes, yes.
Okay. All right. If it is comfortable for you, can I request you to switch on your camera as well?
Already done.
All right, great. Thank you, Richa. Okay, next, I would like to request Toastmaster Tariq, who is the future treasurer of the club. Let me try to add you. Tariq, Toastmaster Tariq Ashraf. Okay. Hi, Tariq. Next, Astha Agarwal, the future secretary. Let me find you. Astha. Astha, do we have Astha here today? Oh, there you are. Sorry, yeah.
Yes.
Hi, Astha. Okay. Toastmaster Saiba Agarwal, the VP Public Relations to be. Saiba, I'm looking for you. Can you please switch on your video, Saiba? If it's all right. Still looking for Saiba. Is she in the meeting? Can anybody please confirm?
She has lost the connection. She'll be joining.
Okay, all right. Meanwhile, requesting Toastmaster Swati to be a part of this. If you could switch on your camera, Swati.
Yeah, Mohit, I'm here.
All right, great. Okay. Toastmaster Muhammad Iqbal, the future VP Education. All right, and coming back to Saiba. Yep, hi Saiba. And finally, Rohan, Toastmaster Rohan, the president. All right, I hope that gives everybody a good view of everybody. Fantastic. It's great to have you all together in one frame. And the intention for me to be here, like I said, is to install the new officers and to prepare you for the roles. The biggest challenge that you will face collectively is to all walks of life. You will be working together to make them effective speakers, effective listeners, listeners who listen with sensitivity, and people who become leaders who can think creatively. I would have ideally requested each one of you to hold the gavel as a symbol of leadership, as I would describe your responsibilities and request you to take the oath. However, in the absence of a physical gavel, I would request you to extend your hand and extend your right hand while you are taking the oath. So as we proceed forward, I would request you all to please do that. Okay, why don't I add myself also to all of you leaders here. Okay, can't do that. Anyway, proceeding forward, let me start the ceremony with the Sergeant at Arms oath. And I would request all the members to withhold the applause and we will do that at the end collectively when all the ceremony is completed. So our Sergeant at Arms, Richa Sanghai. Richa Sanghai, as Sergeant at Arms, you will arrange the meeting location, maintain club equipment in working order, ensure that adequate club supplies are available, Set up the room before meeting begins. Make all relevant educational and PR materials available. Attend any special equipment needs. You will greet guests. You will also help the president in making sure the meeting begins on time. Richa Sanghai, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Thank you, Richa. Toastmaster Tariq Ashraf, as treasurer, you will have to keep the financial records and prepare the club budget. You will have to announce when it's time for members to pay dues. You will explain the dues structure to members. You will collect dues. And you will also work with secretary to ensure the club submits the dues in time to Toastmasters International headquarters. Toastmaster Tariq Ashraf, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Thank you, Tariq. Toastmaster Astha Agarwal, as secretary, you maintain an accurate membership roster and attendance. You submit the new club officers list to Toastmasters International. You work with the treasurer to ensure the new member applications and dues get to TI World headquarters as soon as possible. You work with the treasurer to submit your club's renewal dues to Toastmasters International on time, and you provide the club with minutes of each meeting. Toastmaster Astha Agarwal, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Thank you, Astha. Toastmaster Saiba Agarwal. Toastmaster Saiba Agarwal, as secretary, can I request you to raise your right hand, Toastmaster Saiba? As secretary, you will maintain an accurate membership roster. Toastmaster Saiba Agarwal, VP of Public Relations, correct? As VP of Public Relations, you attract visitors to the club through publicity. You use a variety of means to promote the club in the community or organization. You enlist your fellow club members in PR activities, providing them with promotional material and ideas. You regularly recognize member achievements with methods such as announcements, newsletters, emails, and articles that you submit for the newsletter. Toastmaster Saiba Agarwal, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
I will.
Thank you and congratulations, Toastmaster Saiba. Next, Toastmaster Swati Yadav. Toastmaster Swati Yadav, as VP of Membership, you lead the club's membership building efforts to achieve membership goals of 8 new members. While the VP of PR motivates people to visit your club, you motivate the current members to invite guests. You promptly give new member applications and dues to the secretary and treasurer. You personally greet guests and provide them with guest packets, including a membership application. You make sure each guest hears about benefits of Toastmasters and gets a personal invitation to become a member. You represent your club at area council meetings. Toastmaster Swati Yadav, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Thank you, Swati. Congratulations. Toastmaster Muhammad Iqbal, as Vice President Education, Toastmaster Muhammad Iqbal, as Vice President Education, you get commitment from the members to set educational goals for themselves. You assure that club members are aware of the schedule of meetings and the roles. You work with club members to maintain meetings fun and well run. You work with your members to ensure that they submit their applications for educational awards promptly. You provide for educational topics such as those from successful club series, better speaker series, and so on. You represent your club at area council meetings. As the second highest ranking officer, you preside over the meetings when the president is absent. Toastmaster Muhammad Iqbal, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Thank you, Iqbal. Congratulations. Rohan Batra, Toastmaster Rohan Batra, as president of this club, New Delhi Toastmasters, you are the club's chief executive officer. Thus, you preside at all club meetings and all meetings of club executive committee. It is your challenge to see that this club adds new members and meets the needs of its current members to achieve their communication and leadership goals. And also to establish a club climate that is supportive, stimulating, and rewarding to its members. You realize that among the resources available to you, you have fellow club members, club officer team, club officers handbook, area director, division director, the website of District 41, and all other district officers. Toastmaster Rohan Batra, you hold the gavel as symbol of the power and authority that your club has given to you for this term. I am confident that you will use this wisely and with restraint. Rohan Batra, as the member of New Delhi Toastmasters, as well as its leader, will you work with your executive team and club members to make New Delhi Toastmasters a President's Distinguished Club?
Yes, I will.
Thank you, Rohan. Congratulations. New Delhi Toastmasters Club members, now it is your turn. So I would request all of you to pay attention, and I'm going to remove the spotlight from everyone because now it is time for all of us to take an oath. So let me just remove the spotlight. Okay. I would request all of the members, all of the officers to raise their right hand and take this oath. Particularly to the members, your officer team has just pledged to serve this club to the best of its ability, to be the best Toastmasters club possible, and to meet the needs of all its members. Your club will need active participation from each member. Do you as members pledge to work together with your officer team to make New Delhi Toastmasters Club the finest Toastmasters Club it can possibly be? You have to say we will, if you agree.
We will.
We will.
We will.
Thank you very much. And by the authority vested in me as your area director, it is my sincere pleasure to declare these Toastmasters officers installed in their respective club offices. Thank you and congratulations. And we can now unmute ourselves and have a round of applause. Okay, I would hand it over back to our today's MC, Toastmaster Chehek, to take the proceedings forward. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Toastmaster Mohez, for instating the EC of NDTM, and congratulations to all the EC members. I'm quite sure you'll perform all your duties with utmost sincerity. I recently read this book, The Last Lecture. It was authored by the famous Carnegie Mellon professor Randy Pausch. There was a line in there, and I quote, "We cannot change the cards we are dealt, just how we play the hand." Similarly, the most impressive leaders I know have found ways to be courageous in the face of adversity. Challenges lift them up instead of knocking them down. And that's exactly how I would describe the president of our club, Toastmaster Rohan. Though I've been a member of Toastmasters since only about 2 months now, I've come to realize that besides being an effortless speaker, he's also a wonderful mentor and truly a resilient leader too. I invite our club president, Toastmaster Rohan, on the stage to address the audience.
Thank you, Toastmaster Chek, for that kind introduction. A very good evening to all. First of all, I wish all of you a very happy Diwali, happy Dhanteras, and Bhai Dooj for tomorrow. And now, I would like to first thank my mentor.
Children's Day also.
Yeah, that's right, Palash. Happy Children's Day to you, specifically to you. Now, there are a few people who I have in mind who I wanted to thank first of all, before I take on this role formally. First is my mentor, who's here today, and for all the guidance she has given me, for all the times I've troubled her, she's guided me through like a beacon of light. And my first and foremost gratitude goes to her. Now, second of all, is this brilliant EC that I'm looking at, the 6 miracle workers. This is a unique EC, by the way. This is an EC which much before its inception had already laid down the foundation stone of a new club. This is a EC which much before being officiated had already taken on the roles for starting and implementing this club. And this is an EC which, by the way, are people who I've developed close friendship and ties with. I cannot say more than that because some things cannot be captured in words. I thank our club sponsors, Toastmaster Digant and Toastmaster Moithia, who spent countless hours in bringing this club from all formal angles into life. I thank our club mentors, Toastmaster Palash, who's still a child at heart, and Toastmaster Tariq, who's both of whom have spent hours and hours in debating how this club can be different from any other club. And lastly, I want to thank all the members here who managed to attend the meeting and those who could not. In first of all, choosing to start and continue their journey in Toastmasters with New Delhi Toastmasters. And secondly, for not overruling the choice of the EC this time. All said and done, this day is quite special for all of us. And I wonder how I landed up here. This journey seems almost like it was yesterday. March 2019, I entered Toastmasters. My previous club was Toastmasters of Delhi. I've never been a backbencher in my life, but at Toastmasters, I used to sit at one corner so that the Toastmaster of the day or the table topics master could not catch hold of me. I was so conscious of the way I used to speak that I never raised my hand to answer any question. 6 months went by, not a single speech came through me. I was toying between the roles of R-counter, grammarian, timer, active listener, back to timer, active listener, grammarian, R-counter. This went on for a while till I was pushed into giving my first icebreaker. And then suddenly, I took up the decision to stand up for the position of VP Education in the upcoming elections of September 2019. God knows I had not thought this through. I had prepared a fantastic speech, and I thought the moment I deliver this speech, I will be elected. I did exactly that. I delivered to the best of my abilities a cracking speech, but the result was not expected. I was disappointed, but secretly glad today. I didn't get the chance to be a part of the EC then, but the then VP membership, he took me under his wing. He asked me to be his associate. That's when I learned the ropes of being an EC member, what it takes to run a club. What do we have to do behind the scenes that nobody actually knows, and is actually the real miracle behind how every meeting is organized. Every time. After learning a few things about how to become an able VP membership, the mantle came into my lap. But this time, I had not delivered a cracking speech. This time, action counted more than words. And that was my first lesson while stepping into the EC. That as a member, more than what we say, more than what we do is what counts. I was the VP membership for nearly 2 terms of that club. And I got the chance to interact with so many of you who became members of that club and are here in this club as members today. One thing I learned the most is how to be confident, how to be someone who can talk to any stranger without having that hesitation, without having that feeling in your belly. What if that person is going to judge me? We all know what happened after that. As they say, things happened, and we ended up creating this special club for the special members who are part of this club today. I thank all of you again for reposing trust in me to lead this club. And as this EC is unique in many other ways, it is also unique for the reason that this EC will continue till its elections coming December itself. And even though we have a short time period to make things happen, this has not prevented me for setting 3 goals for this club. And I hope all of you agree that they are the need of the hour. Number 1, and the most important, these were the opening words of our division director, Ankur. We need an outdoor physical meeting. This is our first goal. I'm not sure how it's going to happen. I'm not sure how we will be able to navigate through the pollution stream of Delhi, how we will be able to manage social distancing norms. But I do have this dream that by December at least we can have 1 outdoor meeting in whichever way possible. The second is about the club strength. We are 21 members as we speak and aspiring to be more. And I feel somehow the magic number for this club, that strength, that number of strength we require to reach a place that we've never reached before, is 30. Now, I haven't had a discussion with our VP membership about this, to be very honest. And I know she's biting her teeth and tongue while listening to me. But I think we also need to grow at this stage to become a stable club and a club which everyone wants to come into. Last but not the least, club quality. And this is some kind of a pledge I request all of you members to give. My hope is that aside the EC officers, I would like to see 3 specialists, 3 exceptional speakers coming to the fore. And you can choose to be any one of them or all of them. Number one, we want an exceptional storyteller, someone who can mesmerize the audience with his or her storytelling abilities. We're already seeing such bright speakers coming up in this club, and I hope someone is able to don that mantle. Number two, someone with the ability to think quickly on their feet and become a champion table topics master. Someone who can find his way through tough situations just through the magic of words. And lastly, someone who has a critical eye for detail. Someone who can evaluate the pros and cons of a speech in that sandwich manner that makes it all so delightful. The role of an evaluator. The moment we have or touch these three big milestones, the moment we have these three exceptional speakers lined up in our club, I have no doubt and I have all the faith that this club will be ready and reaching new heights to come. Last but not the least, no doubt the members of this club are the soul. But one thing should not be forgotten. The eyes and ears of this club are the EC officers, our club sponsors and club mentors. They have the onerous duty to ensure that the club goes in the right direction, has the right quality, and has the right kind of motivation. But all of us combined can't make this club a success unless each one of us here commit to the role of being a better version of ourselves. I came into Toastmasters thinking that Toastmasters is about being a better speaker. Then Toastmaster Palash taught me it's about being a better leader. But having spent almost 2 years now, I believe the word Toastmaster signifies this everlasting commitment to self-improve. So as long as we are improving, as long as we are committed to this spirit of evolving and transforming ourselves, we can guarantee that this club will have a new future. Thank you all. It's great being your president. And on that note, I sign off. Over to you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Rohan, for sharing your journey with us. The journey was really very inspiring for all of us from March 2019 to now. It's quite something. And what stood out in your speech was the way you said that more than what we say, it's really what we do that counts. And definitely, as a leader, actions speak louder than words. I'm sure everyone is quite excited about the goals that you've shared with us as well. And everyone is waiting for those physical meetings very soon. I think that someone asked us like yesterday or day before itself on the WhatsApp groups. And I'm sure with you at the helm, all of us will be good speakers, leaders, and of course, as you said, will not be complacent. We'll continuously improve. Thank you so much once again for your address. Fear of heights, fear of darkness, fear of death, and fear of public speaking. Can anyone tell me out of these, which is the number one phobia that most people have? Yeah,
Only public speaking, right?
yeah, exactly. It's the fear of public speaking ahead of death, darkness, heights, which means even many speakers have this fear. And to overcome this fear, many of us join Toastmasters. But do we know how to make the most out of our Toastmasters journey? Well, that's exactly what our keynote speaker, DTM Ankur, will address today. DTM Ankur is currently the Club Growth Director of Toastmasters International District 41. In the past, he was the President Distinguished Division Director and has held various other leadership roles in Toastmasters. Please join me in welcoming on the stage DTM Ankur.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Chahek. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone.
Good
Am I
evening.
audible?
Good evening.
Yes,
Good
yes.
evening.
Thank you. So let me be very honest and frank with you. I won't be telling you or giving you the tips and tricks that you can apply in your life to take most out of this Toastmaster journey. But yes, there is one thing that I'll definitely be doing, and which is sharing the things that worked for me. This is my fifth year as Toastmaster and fourth year as the district leader. And if those of you who do not understand these terminologies called Club Growth Director and CDD, in that case, I can make things bit simple for you. So last year I stood for election, and the time we talk about the district election, everyone votes. Our district is comprised of Northern India, Eastern India, including Nepal, Bhutan, and Bangladesh. Or in other words, it includes Rajasthan, Chandigarh, Jammu and Kashmir, Haryana, Delhi, entire Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, 7 states, West Bengal, Bangladesh, and Nepal. And if you are contesting an election, in that case, you have to ensure that you get at least 50%, 51% of the total number of votes being casted. Last year, I stood for the post of Club Growth Director. There were 3 candidates. One got 16 votes, another one got 64 votes, and I got 264 votes. The reason I'm telling you all this number is because the only thing that I have earned in Toastmaster is the love and support from the members like you. And now today I'll be telling you what is it that I did and what is it that worked in my favor. Being new member, I started my Toastmaster journey around 5 years back. I had no dream or no ambition to become a public speaker. The L of leadership was alien to me. I had no idea about what is public speaking, what is leadership. There is just one thing which I was expecting out of Toastmaster, and that one thing was the ability to communicate my ideas in English language. English was third language to me, first being Haryanvi, second being Hindi, and third being English. I visited Gurgaon Toastmasters Club 5 years back with the sole intention that, okay, I want to learn how to communicate in English language the way the people from convent school, the way they speak. So that was the only dream I had. And that was the moment from when I started my Toastmasters journey. Initially, I used to write my speeches in Hindi language, and then Vice President Education of Gurgaon Toastmasters Club, Megha Gupta, was the one who helped me. She used to help me in translating my Hindi speeches in English language. I still vividly remember that one phrase which I still have in my mind. One day I asked her that भावनाओं में बह जाना, इसको English में क्या कहते हैं? How can I translate it into English language? And she was the one who said that, Ankur, you got carried away. So that's how I started my Toastmaster journey. I delivered my icebreaker, and God knows how I won the Best Speaker award that day. And from that day, there was no looking back. And I decided that Toastmasters is the place. And that's how I started my Toastmasters journey. So the first suggestion or the first tip or the one thing that you all can incorporate in your life, the moment you are starting your Toastmaster journey, please ensure that you have one communication mentor, an individual who can tell you how to start delivering your speeches, how to craft your speeches. If you are facing trouble with translating your thoughts in English language, or it could be anything, just go and look for one person who can be a communicator mentor. Because for me, it was Megha Gupta, who was the one who helped me in my initial days at Toastmasters. Had it not been for her, I don't think that I still would have been a part of Toastmasters Club. So tip number one, go and find your communication mentor. Now, the second thing which I realized is that once I got the Best Speaker award, and the moment I got to know that in Toastmaster, there is no compulsion that you have to deliver your speech in your clubs only. You can go to other clubs as well, and you can deliver your speeches over there. And it was then when I started going beyond my own home club, which was Gurgaon Orator Toastmasters Club at that time. I used to visit as many clubs as possible in Delhi, and I used to learn various things about those clubs. And because of that only, I found two amazing people in my life. One is Pradeep Tokas. Guys, believe me, if you want to know the heights of creativity while delivering speeches, you must meet that individual. Or what I can do is, after this session, I can share few videos of his. He's the most creative person I have ever seen in Toastmasters. when it comes to delivering speeches. You can't beat the way he can use the props or the way he can use his voice modulation and each and everything. The another benefit I got while going beyond the club is at the moment when I met a friend of now friend of mine. His name is Harsh Goela. He was then president of Toastmasters Club of Speaking and Leadership. After listening to him and after observing him and after watching him, it was at that moment when I got that curiosity, or I got that inspiration that one day even I want to be the president of my own home club. So there are n number of things that you can learn the moment you will go beyond your club. For me, it worked in two ways. First, I got introduced with Pradeep Tokas, and second, I met my dear friend whose name is Harsh Koila. The second tip for you would be to go beyond your clubs, explore more clubs, learn from them, and come back to your club and start implementing the good practices that they are following in their clubs. Coming to the third point, that is being obsessed. So at this point, I can give you three examples. One is the example of your division director, Toastmaster Sakshi More. Second is the example of your fellow division director, Toastmaster Rishabh Agarwal. Last year, the moment I was serving as a division district public relation manager, I was looking for someone who can help me in the PR activities of the entire district. It was at that moment when someone recommended me the name of Toastmaster Sakshi More. I haven't met her uh, uh, before any time, but someone suggested me that she is the one and you can ask her if you need any kind of help. I told her that Sakshi, these are the areas on which I need your help, and she helped me. I asked her 3 to 4 times, and the point is that she was so obsessed about working with me and delivering the results that after 3 months I realized that she has a lot of potential, and because of that I asked our immediate past district director, distinguished Toastmaster Jennifer Ghosh, and I said that I know it is a bit late, but I want Sakshi More to be the associate district public relation manager. And because of her work throughout the year, after that she stood for and I mean, in short, she is now your division director. So is the case with Rishabh Agarwal. Rishabh Agarwal last year served as the district logistic manager. I never expected that he will be able to pull off all the responsibility which has been assigned to him. But mark my word, in the entire district, you can ask any person who was there in the last year district leadership team that what are their thoughts about Rishabh Agarwal. And I'm pretty much sure that they all would say that the kind of work ethic that he displayed is unmatchable. The way he delivered all the trophies on time and each and everything. And that is the another reason he is currently serving as the division director for Delhi Geography as of now. Now, let me tell you one more thing. And this question is specifically to Toastmaster Palash, who is smiling a lot. So, Palash, my question for you is that if I give you an opportunity and if I tell you that there is someone whom you have to invite to your club meeting, and there is a short chance that that individual would say no to you, what is it that you will do to ensure that that individual comes to your club, New Delhi Toastmasters Club?
Thanks, Sankur. I think I'm audible.
Yeah, you are audible.
Okay. So, since this online meeting thing has made it very, very easy for someone to join, my answer would be very simple to him that I would suggest a very specific corner of the meeting that I think is the more interacting and would invite him much more. So I would suggest him to come on to the meeting for this time period so that he can actually be attracted to it. And when the meeting becomes physical, there's always a lot of things that you can tell. Actually, you have to talk to the person to realize that what he or she is lacking in or what they are looking at. So once you get the read of it that they are looking at something to improve about it, and I believe Toastmasters have a lot to offer. So I can really guide them into the ways that this is the thing that Toastmasters can give you, and this is the thing that all you are already.
Palash, sorry to interrupt you. I think I should have I should have framed my question in a better manner.
Okay.
So my point was that if you have to invite a guest speaker, and you are sure about the fact that that guest speaker would say no to you because of her hectic schedule or no matter what,
Okay, so you are already putting it that he has a hectic schedule and you will join.
Yeah.
Cool. Uh, First of all, we have to check it out that they have like time. The time matches with our meeting because timing is really important, and I'm the one who's having active schedule. But yeah, surely they can come because of the evaluator and the audience that they will get. That is one thing that we are always known for, to have a good audience that can give you really the kind of feedback that you're looking for. It is not the evaluation of one person that matters, it is the evaluation of the whole group that matters, and this group provides one. So that is one thing that every speaker looks to, and there's one thing special I can tell them.
Now I would reiterate that person's schedule is very hectic. Okay, no worries. Let me just make my point that when the moment I say that a person has to be obsessed about the things that he or she wants to achieve, what is the meaning of being obsessed in that case? Around 4 years back, okay, so I'm giving you a disclaimer that I'm not bragging about myself. Don't go with my name, but just go with my intent. So the point is that around 4 years back, the time I was serving as the president of Gurgaon Orator Toastmasters Club, I wanted to ensure that my home club becomes one of the best club of District 41. And it was at that moment I got to know that there is one individual in our district, and her name is Distinguished Toastmaster Punita Singh. She was the first district director of our district. And the moment I got to know that she is a big hot shot in our district, and it is very difficult to ask her or to invite her to our club meeting. And even my mentor said that it is next to impossible. No matter what you do, she will not be coming to your club because of a hectic schedule and other obligations. That was the moment when I took it as a challenge, and I was obsessed about ensuring that she should come to our club. Now, if I ask, I mean, any one of you, there is a possibility that you might say that you will either ping her on WhatsApp, you will mail her, you will give her a phone call, and all those stuff. What I did was, because I was aware of this fact that no matter what I try, conventionally I try, there is a possibility that she will say no to me. So what I did was a little bit of unconventional, because I was obsessed about inviting her to my home club. I made a 5-minute video in which I didn't spoke even a single word. In the entire duration of 5 minutes, I was holding A4 size sheets, and the message which I wanted to communicate was written on that piece of paper. One by one, I was displaying sheets: one sheet, two sheet, three sheet, four sheet, five sheet. And in that video, I said with my sheet, with that piece of paper, that Distinguished Punita saying, ma'am, I know that you are very busy and there is a strong chance that you might not be available on that given day. But because I have heard a lot about you and we want to know more about, we want to learn more from your experience. And that's how I created a video around 4 years back. Now the twist is that instead of sending her that video directly, what I did was I shared that video in all the EC groups. I shared that video in the group of president, in the group of vice president education, VP membership, secretary, PR, and everyone. And at the end of the video, there was a message in which I said that, dear everyone, I have two options. First, I can send this video or this message directly to Distinguished Toastmaster Punita Singh, or second, you can help me share that message of mine to her. Now, because many district officers were aware of her and they knew Distinguished Toastmaster Punita Singh, what they did was, after 1 hour of circulating that video, her inbox was bombarded by around 30 to 40 people, and they all were sharing that video. And they all were sharing, okay, there is someone called Ankur, and he is inviting you to your Toastmasters, to his Toastmasters meeting. Now, the best part was that now the entire district was waiting for our answer. The situation was something similar like the one which we have seen in the movie Mujhse Shaadi Karogi, where Salman Khan proposes in the entire auditorium, Rani Mujhse Shaadi Karogi. It was the same sort of feeling. I said that, Punita ma'am, please come to our home club. And now everyone was waiting for her answer. And that's how she said, okay, now I can't say no. I'm in such a situation. And she came to our home club. The moment, the time I started my term as a president, we were having around 10 members in our home club. And in the meeting in which she came, we had a strength of 80 guests, 80 members, including guests. So that was the impact. The moment I'm telling you that we all have to be obsessed is that if we are not obsessed, I don't think that we will be able to achieve the goals that we have set for ourselves. And this is the third lesson which I would like to give to all the budding Toastmasters, that no matter what you are doing, if it is about your speech, if it is about your role, if it is about anything that you are doing in Toastmaster, you have to be obsessed about it, and you have to ensure that if you have set a target for yourself, you just have to achieve it no matter what. Now, the fourth point which I would like to mention over here is finding a leadership coach. Initially, I said that yes, we all have to have one communication coach. For me, it was my then Vice President Education, Megha Gupta. But there are two individuals who played a critical role in defining my Toastmasters journey. And those two individuals are Nimish Joseph, our current district director, and another one is distinguished Toastmaster Vinay Jain. The year when I was serving as the area director, that was one of the worst year of my Toastmasters journey. I had 3 clubs under me, and out of which 1 club died. And at the end of the year, I had just 2 clubs. It was Nimish who said that during our Agra elections, Agra oration, he said that, Ankur, you should go for the division director. And I said, being area director, I was a complete failure. I had 3 clubs at the start of my tenure, and at the end of my tenure, I am just having 2 clubs. And now you're telling me that, Ankur, you have to take care of 21 clubs of Gurgaon geography. And out of those 21 clubs, 95% clubs are corporate clubs. I was saying no, but he was saying yes. And it then came the time when I have to go to the stage to deliver my speech for the election. I was not prepared, but he was forcing me to an extent that I said, okay, enough is enough. I'm going to the stage to deliver my speech. I'm not sure whether I'll be getting the vote or not, but at least I'll be I'll be completely relaxed after that. Because of his persistence and his consistency, I went to the floor. I delivered my speech for the division director, and I got around 75% of the votes. After winning the election, I felt that winning an election is an easy part, because the moment you are appointed as a leader, it doesn't mean that you are a leader. It is an opportunity to become one. But the moment I realized, okay, people have restored their trust in me, it was at that moment when I realized that no matter what, now I'll be doing my level best. If I talk about my 1 year as division director, Gurgaon had this history of losing at least 3 to 4 clubs every year. During my term, because of my team's effort and the mentoring I got, during that year, out of 21 clubs, we didn't lose even a single club. And on the top of that, we chartered 4 more clubs. And that in itself is the history, if I talk about the Gurgaon geography. And the credit goes to 2 leadership coach that I had in my life. One, Nimish Joseph, and second, distinguished Toastmaster Vinay Jain, who was constantly guiding me about what I have to do in order to ensure there is no club loss. What are the things that I have to apply in order to start more clubs? So tip number 4, do find your leadership coach. And tip number 5, which is you have to have a why you are in Toastmaster, or why you have taken up a leadership role. Because as I said earlier, the moment you are appointed as a leader, it is an opportunity to become one. And the position that we get in Toastmaster is temporary. A person would be the president for just 6 months. After that, no one will remember him or her. A vice president will also serve for just 6 months. Me as the club growth director will be here in Toastmaster in this position just for 1 year. But the impact that we are making in the lives of other individuals will be there forever. The reason why I'm mentioning after 5 years, the name of Megha Gupta, Bhavya Bansal, Nimish Joseph is not because of their position that they were holding at that time, but because of the impact that they have created in my life. And that is the key lesson which I would request everyone to implement in their life, that position is temporary, but the impact that you are making in the lives of other individuals is everlasting. So these are the 5 things which really worked for me. And I request everyone, each and every member of New Delhi Toastmasters Club, to please, if possible, incorporate all these things. And I'm pretty much sure that if a person like me who didn't have the courage to even converse one sentence in English language to in front of an audience can become the club growth director, if that is the case with me, then I must say that if it is for you, you can easily be the international director or international president of Toastmasters. That's all from my side. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Lots of love to all the members of New Delhi Toastmasters Club. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Toastmaster Ankur, for sharing those valuable insights and tips. I particularly like that anecdote that you shared with us about inviting Toastmaster Punita. It was quite unique and it had a very key message: how to go about achieving your goals even if it needed unconventional methods. And the way you ended, that these learnings can be really used outside of an EC term or outside of Toastmasters, because as you said, position is temporary but the impact is everlasting. So whatever we are learning here at Toastmasters, we can definitely use it outside of this space as well. Thank you again for motivating us with your words. I'll now move on to the most awaited section of our meeting. It's the last section. It is the surprise fun session as promised by Toastmaster Plash and Toastmaster Sana. So Toastmaster Plash has been a long-time Toastmaster and he's been a crucial member of NDTM. He is our club mentor and he has immensely helped in chartering the club as well. And along with him, we have Toastmaster Sana, who is an eloquent speaker and writer. She also happens to be a dear friend and one of the motivating forces behind why I joined Toastmasters. Please give it up for Toastmaster Plash and Toastmaster Sana.
Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and dear guests. Thank you all for coming together and making this evening even more eventful by giving us a very diligent EC. With that being said, it's now time to loosen ourselves a bit and enjoy the fun and learning we have planned for you. And I have Toastmaster Plash with me, who would help you explain the rules of the first game, I'm sorry. Over to you, Toastmaster Plash.
Thank you, Toastmaster Sana, and welcome you all to the first and installation meeting of our club. I'd like to thank all the dignitaries, Toastmasters, and guests to coming to the meeting and making it all possible. And with that, I'd like to say that Toastmaster Sana and me have decided some games that might entice you with your mind and with your funny bones, and we hope it does. So we have two games for you. Firstly, the first game is in which, with the help of Toastmaster Sana, we have divided you all into three beautiful teams. And as the game starts, we will recite the teams differently so that you can identify your team members. The first game will require you, all of you, to answer as many questions as you can. That will be shooted by me towards you. The number of answers the team gave is the number of points the team scores, and the points will be maintained by Toastmaster Sana. If anyone has any kind of doubt, they are pleased to ask whether what the doubt is or how I can help you in that. Is there any person with a doubt? Okay, so I'll take Astha's and Sheikh's answer that no one is in doubt. So with that, we have three teams. The first team is called Team A, as Sana requested. It will be, the Team A will comprise of Rohan. Can I say I or something that you are present in the meeting?
Aye.
So Rohan, in your team, there will be Astha, Tariq, Mohit, and Amandeep. Is the Team A knows their team members now?
Yes.
We are going as well. She
Okay,
has
so-
joined now.
Sorry, please
Yeah.
tell me how I have to number out or mark out my name.
No, Digant, I'll just tell you the team that you have, and you just have to keep up with your teammates when the questions are given out. So the Team A is Rohan, Astha, Tariq, Mohit, and Amandeep. Amandeep, you're there in the meeting? Can you just say a hi?
Yes, hi, I'm there.
Okay, cool. So help your team when the time comes. The Team B is headed by Saiba. Saiba, can I see you? Yeah, hi. Saiba, your team will have Chehek, Iqbal, Digant, Simran, and Nishita. Is the Team B clear about their members? Team B? Say Chehak, hi. Iqbal, Digant, Simran, and Nishita. You're clear. Can I get a thumbs up from Teams B? Cool.
Yes, yes, sir.
Now we have the final team. I have high hopes from you because your name is Team C. The team will be headed by Ankur. Hi Ankur, can I see your face and a hi?
Yeah, Palash, I have to go for the puja. If you will please excuse me.
Oh Ankur, we're counting on you.
I'll come. I listen to everyone.
Oh shit. Okay, so now
Thank
Richa, you're going to be the one. Richa. Hi. Okay, so Richa, your team will have Swati, Bhavna, Anusha. Is Anusha there? Yeah, Anusha and Syed Aman. Are all the guys here? Can you just say a hi so that we know that the team C is there? Richa, Swati.
Yes, yes.
So Tanya has come and we can add her to team C as Ankur is leaving. Tanya. Hi Tanya. Can we have a hi?
Hi guys, I just joined and I'm clueless what's going on.
Okay. So Tanya, we are going to have games and your team will be given out questions. I hope you remember your team members' names so that you all can answer. Your team members are Richa, Swati. Swati, are you there? Swati?
Yes, Palash.
Bha-
Yeah, yeah.
Bhavna. Bhavna, are you there? Bhavna is left. Bhavna?
No, I think she has left.
Okay. So we don't have Bhavna over here. Anusha. Hi Anusha, can we hear from you?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, cool. So everyone knows their team now. So the questions will first come from team A, and Sana will just keep the tab of how many answers are given. So questions are pretty simple. They are nothing like we have to put a lot of mind to it, but you have to answer it as soon as you can. And the time limit for every team will be 45 seconds. The more efficiently you answer, the more rounds you will have. So we have Sana who will keep the time of 45 seconds and also how many questions are answered. Sana, are we good to go? Sana, you're muted.
Yeah, just a second.
Okay, so team A, that is Rohan, Astha, Tariq, Mohit, and Amandeep. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Okay, Sana, are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So we are also ready. Now, the first question. And your time starts. Sana, we can start the time?
Yeah.
Okay, so the time starts now. The word that starts with E.
Elephant.
The word that ends with J. Okay.
Maharashtra.
The word that starts with A.
Astha.
Okay. A, a thing in home that starts with S.
Shaving cream.
Okay. The word that starts with R and ends with R.
Rear.
Roar.
Rude.
Well, okay. I hope she's keeping the time. The word that starts and ends with an vowel.
Astha.
Elate.
Elite.
Okay. The word that starts with a vowel.
Astha.
Apple.
Okay. Sana, tell me when 45
Time
seconds
is
are
up.
over.
Yeah,
Okay,
time is
cool.
up.
So how many answers were right and how many did they got?
All of them.
Only one was incorrect. The rest of them, I guess, were correct.
Astha was incorrect. It's not a word. So they got 5 right.
Oh.
Why is Astha not the word?
Yeah, it's
Astha, you're
not
not
a
a
word.
word, you're a person. A noun. Okay. Now it's time for team B. Team B is headed by Saiba. Hi Saiba, we can see you. Chehek, Iqbal, Digant, Simran, and Ishta. We all have you guys over here. Okay. So the game starts. Sana, we can start the game?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. The word that starts with K.
Kite.
The food that starts with K.
Uh,
Okay. The words that end with M.
okay.
Okay. The food that starts with M.
Momo.
Momos.
Okay. A thing that in your house that start with M.
And
Magazine.
Matt.
Okay. The word that starts with and ends with T.
Parrot.
Okay. The word that starts and ends with an vowel. I didn't give you the answer.
Also.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. A word that starts with E.
Elephant.
Egg.
Okay.
Egg.
That starts with E and ends
Time
with
is
E.
up.
Okay, cool. Sorry. Okay. How many answers did you get? They didn't get
They
two,
got
I
6
remember.
right.
Oh, I asked so many questions. Sorry.
Palash, you're asking them questions. It's not fair.
as many questions as you answer, as many questions as you get. So it is time for Team C, in which we have Richa, Swati, Bhavna, Anusha, and Tanya. We are ready with this?
Yeah.
Okay. The word that starts and ends with an vowel.
Aeroplane.
Okay. The word that starts and ends with E.
Relate.
The word that starts and ends with R.
Roar.
A thing in your house that starts with C.
China.
The food
China
that
China
starts with M.
What?
The food that starts with M.
Mango.
Momo.
The word that starts with H.
Horse.
The word that starts and ends with V.
V.
V for
Van.
vanity.
V.
The
Wow.
word that starts and ends with V.
B. Bombay.
Yes.
Bomb.
Okay. The word that starts with a vowel.
Elate.
Time is up.
Okay.
Able.
Cool. So how's the
Okay.
performance?
So they got 6 right, but they repeated Team B's word as well.
That wasn't any rule that you can't repeat.
We
Yeah.
didn't know that. And we'll give you the benefit of doubt.
That was not the
And
rule.
yeah, and they also got
That's
6
smart play.
right.
Okay. So what's the team stands right now?
Team A has 5 points. Team B scored 6 points, and Team C also scored 6 points.
Okay, guys. So we can go for one other round.
Yes,
How much time do we have? Do we have? Okay,
Yes,
cool.
yes, we have time.
Okay, so Team A, I'm just going to repeat the members' names so that everyone is attentive. The team A is Rohan, Astha, Tariq, Mohit, Amandeep, and Amandeep. Okay, so guys, let's start again. The word that ends with a vowel.
Also,
Okay, the word that starts and ends with T.
treat.
Okay, the thing in your house that starts with R.
Rat.
The word that starts with P-O-P.
P-O-P.
Popcorn.
Popcorn.
Okay, the word that ends with P-O-P.
Lollipop.
The food that starts with A.
Apple.
Almond.
The foods that end with K.
Cake.
Pass.
Musk.
Okay, the word that ends with a vowel.
Apple.
A food that starts with a vowel.
Apple.
Orange.
Cool. Word that starts and ends
Time
with
is up.
R. Okay.
So they got all the questions right. So they got 7 points in this round.
Wow.
Nice. Now we are going to move to Team B. Now the Team B is Saiba, Chehak, Iqbal, Digant, Simran, and Ishta. And are you all ready?
Yep.
Okay, cool. A food that starts with P-O-P.
Again,
Popcorn.
popsicle.
Pop. That's
The food
pop
that
only,
starts with
like
M.
that pop. Pop lollipop. Sort of.
What's the next one?
The food that starts with M.
Mango.
The food that starts with J.
Jelly.
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 The word that starts with I.
Ice.
India.
Ice
The word
cream.
that ends with a vowel.
Sorry.
The word that ends with a vowel.
Ice.
Apple. Ice.
The word that starts and ends with a vowel.
Alumni.
Ice
A
again.
thing in your house that starts with T.
Tea.
Table.
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 Telephone.
The food item that starts with a vowel.
Time is up.
Okay.
So they answered 6 questions and all are correct.
So it's a tie between Team A and B so far.
Right now.
Yeah, so far, yeah.
So we have Team C now.
Last,
Just
if not here,
consider
you can give us the benefit.
round 2.
Rana,
Yeah.
if we don't hear the question clearly, then give us the benefit of that time because we didn't hear that B thing. It wasn't clear.
Okay, Anusha, we'll try that again. That I don't put some questions that are not clear. Okay, so now Team C, Ankur is not there. Richa, Swati, Bhavna, Anusha, and Tanya. You're all ready, guys?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Item in your house that starts with L.
Lemon.
Food that starts with a vowel.
Apple.
A word that starts with F-L-U.
Fluctuate.
Flummox.
A word that ends with P-O-P.
Lollipop.
A food that starts with H.
Pass.
Hot food.
Pass, pass, pass.
Word that starts and ends with a vowel.
Eerie.
Aeroplane.
Able, ice.
The food that ends with M. That's a Hindi word. Come on.
You never said we have to answer in English.
Oh, let's not argue. Okay. The word that starts with K.
Time is up.
Sana, the time is up?
Yeah.
Okay.
So they got 5 correct in this round.
And the standing of team ABCR?
Yeah, so team A and team B scored 12 points and team C scored 11 points. So team A and team B are...
Okay, so now please
Give
don't
them a
get
round of
disheartened.
applause.
We have Toastmaster Sana giving you another opportunity with
Mhm.
another game so that no one feels like the field is leveled right now. So with this, let's welcome Toastmaster Sana with her game. Huge round of applause, guys. Put your hands together.
That was a fantastic game. That was a fantastic one.
So Sana.
Thank you, Toastmaster Plash. We are now about to start a game that's called charades, which we all love to play, especially in our childhood. The rules of the game are very simple. You all are divided into 3 teams, and each team will nominate one member who has to enact 5 one-word movies in 2.5 minutes. And the rest of the team has to guess the movies. Whichever team gets the maximum movies correct will be the winner. I hope the rules are clear, and we can begin now. So who would like to come from team A to act?
Toastmaster.
Rohan.
Toastmaster Rohan. Toastmaster Rohan, I'll send you the list of movies on personal chat. So just give me a moment.
And as soon as you give me a thumbs up, we'll start the time.
Okay.
Okay, you will have 2.5
If
minutes.
they can't guess, can we guess?
Only if the team passes. Like, we'll keep it to team A only. If they don't get it, the movies will be given to team B in the next round. There are no bonus points over here. Okay, Sana.
So Toastmaster Rohan, are you ready now?
Yeah, just a second. Let me write the names of the movies down.
Are these Hindi movies? Bollywood?
Okay.
Yes,
but
Bollywood.
we haven't migrated to US till now. In our heart, it's always Salman Khan,
I think movies doesn't include any next Netflix series also.
No. Only Bollywood masala.
But not the 90s one, na? I don't know that.
Asta, yeah, we
No,
remember.
not so old.
Swati made it ample.
Actually, Sana selected some movies of 50s also. Like
Sana,
first,
is
movie
the
that
last
started.
movie spelled correctly? Okay.
I mean, you have to enact. Yeah.
Okay, Rohan, give me a thumbs up and we'll start the time.
I'm under so much pressure now.
Okay.
Yeah, and
seems like-
we'll update on the chat when 1 minute and 2 minutes are up.
I'll say it.
I
No
have?
problem. Okay.
Okay, we'll
Go,
just
guys.
How much time do I have?
2.5
2.5 minutes to enact 5 movies.
Okay. So your time starts.
Just a second. Let me also start my timer.
Your time starts now.
One word, yeah. Hindi.
Hindi.
Makki.
Lakshmi.
Makki.
Lakshmi bomb. Oh.
No. One word only. Okay. One word. Hindi. ठीक है.
Next.
Smell. खुशबू.
बाल नहीं है.
Shampoo.
शैम्पू नहाना. हीरो.
Oh, this step. I don't know what is this. Pass. Next movie. Next movie.
Next.
Pick a easy one, na?
It is not given any.
Ranveer Singh movie. Okay.
Hindi.
Hindi.
One word, yeah. All are one words.
1 minute up.
Patka or what?
Band.
Pagdi.
Band. Pagdi.
Sir dukh raha
Sir. Sardar.
Headache.
Sir.
Dimag.
Head.
Man.
Head.
Man. Manjulika.
Mandir.
Man is first word.
1.5 minute done.
मन में क्या है दिमाग? Brain.
English में.
English.
Brain.
दिमाग घुटने में है.
Next.
Like something easy, huh? Something easy. Hindi.
One word.
2 में डिवाइड कर लिया. ठीक है.
2 minute up.
पहला वाला.
Half minute.
पहला वाला.
पहला वाला. हाँ. The dog.
Chipkili. Lizard.
Snake.
Snake.
सांप.
Last 10 seconds.
सपेरा. नहीं.
5,
Lutera.
3,
No
2,
clue.
1. Done, guys.
Very bad. Huh?
More than your team, Sarah was under pressure that way. What will happen if they guess all the
Social
movies?
embarrassment.
It was very
Okay, now
difficult.
guys, it was a wonderful team effort by Team A. It's now time for Team B to come up on the stage. And who's going to volunteer for Team B then? Team B, volunteers, or do I pick one?
Toastmaster Tikkan, if you can act.
No.
Saiba, you do it now.
I can't act. I
Come
can't
on,
act.
you can.
Okay, so
Don't
Chehak will
lie.
do it. No, Chehak is a Toastmaster. She won't do it. Simran, you are going to do it. Simran, hi. Simran. Hi, Simran. You are going to be the load bearer for them. And Sanav is going to send you all the movies. You will have 2.5 minutes to enact 5 movies. And till now, you have a chance to win over Team A as they stand at 12 points. And you're also at 12 points. Okay? Cool. So, Sana?
Yeah.
Simran, as soon as you get the movies, you give me a thumbs up. I'll start the time.
Okay, sir. Just a minute, sir.
It's Palash. Yeah, try and say Palash. Hi, Simran.
So, should I start? Wait,
You
wait,
got-
wait. Let me
you
write
got the
all
movies?
names. Wait. Let me write all these.
Guys, should we send it on WhatsApp? Would that make it easy?
And by the way, who
It's
chose
fine.
Yeah, Tarek?
Yeah, who chose these
Just
difficult
start.
movies?
Richa has something to say or something to eat? Okay, Simran, are we ready to go?
Yes.
Okay, with this, your time starts now.
Okay.
One letter.
One word.
One word. Past.
Gaya.
Purana.
छोड़ो.
Bal.
Kanti baat. I mean the step.
लुंगी डांस.
Yeah, first one letter है ना. पता नहीं ना समझ. Sorry. One letter. Bal.
सलमान खान movie. Do something else. Do the next movie.
Okay.
Second movie.
2 letter. 2 words.
One word.
One word.
First word.
Okay, Team B, that's 1 minute up.
Guitar. Guitar.
मोहब्बत है.
Okay. No.
Violin.
गाना है जिसमें ओ जाने जाना वाला गाना है जिसमें I think.
Violin, guitar. बढ़िया. Best.
No.
Can I help? I couldn't help my team.
Rowdy.
If you can help, but the point will go to Team B only. That's 1.5 minutes.
Dabang, I think.
That is started by I think
To the next.
Asin was started.
Third movie.
Third movie.
One word. Yeah.
One word. Going.
Rasta.
जा रहे हैं.
Rasta.
Rasta. Travel.
Rahi.
Rah. Rah.
That's 2 minute, team
Rah.
B. You're in
Raz.
the last half minute.
Raz. Razi.
Rah.
Rah.
Rahi.
हमारा ही प्यार
Rah.
है.
रास्ते. रास्ते.
Way.
रास्ते.
Raj.
Way.
Last 10 seconds.
रास्ता.
5,
जा रहे हैं
4,
रास्ते पे.
3,
Travel.
2, 1. Guys, stop. Thank you.
It was highway, Chehek. You were there.
And
More
second
than you, Sana is nervous. She's eating her fingers. Guys, please, come on, answer.
second one was
It's
Rockstar,
very difficult. What
right?
Yeah.
Second one was
Rockstar.
Rockstar.
Okay, now
Yeah,
guys,
it was Superstar.
वो
okay,
बहुत
Toastmasters,
it's a
now,
superstar. I
now
want
it
to be a
is now it is
superstar.
time for Team C to come up and take the stage. So who's going to come up from Team C?
Swati.
Yeah. Sana, you
Yes.
simple name.
I
And
have
to-
simplest ones for Team C.
Why?
That's bad. That's bad. That's wrong.
Because Anusha has been demanding it.
Huh.
I like it.
Okay,
We want
so
another round.
Swati is going to do it. And the
I need to
movie-
check my network first. Am I visible and audible?
Oh, yeah. You like look like a miniature.
then I can do.
Standing screen. I hope you do good.
And timer
That
cards
you
also
have the
should be shown.
movies.
Timer card should be shown also.
Yeah, we'll ask the timer the next time. This time we did it on ourselves.
So all the
Okay,
movies
Sana?
are one word. That I
Oh,
guess.
oh. Swati.
No, you
please.
have you already have said that, no? Blast in the
Okay,
I just
cool.
wanted to
With this, I'll
say
start your
my
time.
team.
With this, I'll start your time. Okay?
Yeah.
Swati, are we cool? And your time starts now.
One word. Yeah. Hindi. अंधा, अंधेरा, अंधा जिसको नजर नहीं आता, ग्रोपिंग इन, ढूंढना, ढूंढना, अंधा, अंधा के साथ कुछ है, अंधा, the person who's अंधा, you go to the next movie, अंधकार, black, black, हाँ, okay, second movie, yeah, English, दारू, जो बहुत पीता है, drunkard,
बहुत
जो
पीती
बहुत पी के सो जाता है, इंग्लिश में
That's
बोलना,
1 minute for Team C.
drunkard, alcoholic, चलो आज थर्ड वाला करूँ, थर्ड करो, हाँ, थर्ड मूवी करूँ, स्टार,
What is this?
Where's Team C? Where are the rest of the members? Tanya?
what are you doing? Okay, it's in Hindi, I know. तो स्टार बना रहे हो आप?
Okay, that's 1.5 minutes.
Okay. ढूंढना, पकड़ना, अंधेरा, अंधा,
अंधाधुंध,
अंधाधुंध, अंधाधुंध, ठीक है. अगला फोर्थ मूवी करो. हाँ, सेकंड. इंग्लिश में बोलना है ड्रंकर्ड को. गैम्बलर,
bartender,
जेसिका हुकर, नहीं.
2 minutes up for Team C also.
The one who mixes drinks. Bartender.
cocktail,
Cocktail, oh great, we got two. Then next, जल्दी करो. हाँ.
Last 10 seconds.
सोना, पी के सो जाना,
3,
सपना, dreaming.
1. Guys up.
We got two.
Yeah,
Well
Swati,
done,
nice.
well done.
Swati, time is up. Come on.
Arey, but it was easy.
But still it got Singham. So what do you want?
Singham, that was
I was doing Singham and I was coming
Sana.
up.
Singham.
Okay, so Sana, what's the point tallies right now?
Team
Sana was
A
the
and
most
Team
nervous
B
one
are
among
at
all of
0. And Team C got 2.
So the total tally right now stands at team A and B that who were leading with the tie are still
At 12.
are still at the bottom of the table with a tie, and team C that was at the lower bottom of the table is now leading with
Yeah,
no
with 13
competition.
points.
Yeah. So Sana, can we do one more round?
Yes.
Why?
Really?
Yes, yes.
I can give
One
one
last
or
one.
two more movies per team.
We have 12 points, right?
Okay, so you
Huh?
can give 2 more
We have
movies to
12
per team.
points, right?
Huh?
How
We
many
have
points
Movies
do all
per
teams
team, na?
A, B have
I
12.
can't understand you.
A
How
and
many
B have
movies
12.
can you give per team?
Acha, 2. I'm giving 2.
Okay, so we'll give it 1 minute for 2 movies. Cool, guys?
Easy.
Okay.
Is but let Astha do.
No. I want
है ना
to
रोहन?
wait.
One let
Yeah.
Astha do.
No.
Okay, Sana, so from team A,
No,
who is going
I'll
to
guess.
volunteer? Team A.
Toastmaster Rohan.
Team
Who's
A.
coming?
I'll choose a volunteer if you want.
Toastmaster Tariq, do it.
Guys, can you hear me?
Yes.
Ah,
What is the tally of scores right now?
12,
12,
13.
13.
Okay. तो अनुषा मैम और स्वाति को एक टीम में
साथी,
नहीं
हाँ बस.
Okay, so guys, Tariq is going to come from your team now. Sana, please
Yay!
send him the name of the movies and I'll start the time.
Just do the hook step of the movie.
Yeah.
Tariq, you have the movies now.
And Tariq, your time starts now. Cool? Done. Start.
First.
हिंदी बहुत पैसे हैं शक्तिशाली
ताकतवर
रिच 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 बहुत रिच की हिंदी
Amir.
अमीर 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 की हिंदी पैसे
रईस रईस
yes yes oh,
That's half a minute.
next
Heart. Dil.
दिल धड़कन
दिल धड़कने दो.
Heartbeat.
one word
Oh, that's 3. One word.
what is धड़कन दिल
Dhadkan. I don't know.
धड़ धड़ धड़
धड़के.
Last 10
धड़कन.
seconds.
धड़कन. No.
दिल धड़कने दो दिल धड़कने
Last
दो
4, 3, 2, 1. That's it, guys. It was a fabulous effort by Tariq.
What was it? The last
We
second.
cannot discuss it. We will discuss it afterwards.
No, I'm telling. It was Dhadak.
Oh shit. Oh.
Okay, nice guys.
But you managed 1
That's-
point in this round.
Somebody
So-
said dhadak.
Sana, please give us easy
Now
one.
a tie between me and B.
Someone said Dhadak.
Someone
Yeah,
said
someone said
Someone said
dhadak. Yeah,
dhadak.
we already said dhadak.
Obviously, Dhadak would have come. Tariq kept on doing it. Let's not do this.
Dhadkan. They said
Now
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
for
you
team
were
B.
all called out.
We said
It's now for
dhadak. Yeah.
Team B.
Who said?
no, it was Dhadkan throughout.
I'll
No,
stop
no,
this
no,
conversation
Dhadak was
right
also-
now. Mute
yeah.
all
No,
of
it
them.
wasn't
We
said
have
at
to
all.
From
check
Team
the
B, I'm going to
recording.
choose a person if someone does not come up. You have 3 seconds exactly. 3, 2, 1. Saiba, you are the one who is going to do from Team B. Saiba, can we see you? Hi.
ये अरे हार जाएगा हम लोग. I can't do.
No. You have
This
to
is on
do
you now.
it.
Let Simran
Sana, can
only
you
do.
just
Let
share it with
Simran
Saiba?
only do.
Hi,
Let
Saiba.
Simran only do. Simran, can you do?
Saiba.
Simran has already done
No,
it.
this time you need to do. Saiba.
Yeah.
Sana, can you
Saiba,
send
I'm
the
giving
movies
really
to
easy
Saiba?
ones.
Yes.
You would be able to do. Okay. Wait a-
Saiba, you have them?
No, I'm just sending it to you.
So the point tally is Team A and Team C are running for the first position with 13 pointers, and Team B is at 12 points. So for Roshan, you are not audible, guys. Sorry. I would like to talk to the host. How can you mute a host? Okay, so Saiba, you have the names
Yeah, I have them.
and your time can start. 1, 2, 3, go.
Second word.
Second movie. 2.
Sprinkle, कुछ छिड़कना. कुछ डालना.
लिखना.
लिखना. लिखना.
Right.
चूतिए.
Pen.
It's 30 seconds up, guys.
Okay, लिखना कुछ.
Yeah. खत लिखना. कलम.
Sanjay Dutt star.
Try to do some expressions. What do you want to say?
Last 10
Please,
seconds.
please.
लिखना. Writing.
पढ़ना, कुछ पढ़ना.
Last 4,
कुछ
3,
पढ़ना.
2,
Okay.
1. Thank you, guys. It was fabulous working with Team B. Team B stands at 12 points. With that, we call on Team C to take on the last challenge. We have, who do we have from Team C now?
Swati.
Swati has done it.
Doesn't matter.
Wait,
because
if
there
anyone else
are-
wants to go, then
Tanya, would you like to come up on the stage?
No, I'm pretty bad at it. Please pick someone else.
That's not the point. Saiba got the
Nushka
deal.
can do it.
Thank you, Tanya. It will be you that will be getting the chance
No
now.
one can beat me.
I never consented to it.
Bhavna, would you like to go? If she's here.
I don't think Bhavna is here.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Bhavna is not here.
Amna? Sayyid Amna.
Uh,
Sorry, any other?
yeah, please at least someone take up.
Okay, I can do it again if I'm
Okay,
audible
cool.
and visible.
So Swati is the person who's going to take it from Team C, and Sana is going to give you the movies. Sana? Hello?
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I have sent her the movies.
Okay, Swati, we hope your miniature version will take the team to the lead. You need 1 point to win the game.
This means English?
Okay,
First one.
One.
time has started now.
Prayer.
Namaste.
Namaste. Salam namaste.
Pranam.
Adab.
Salam.
Greet, welcome karna.
Welcome.
Welcome. Yippee. Chal next. Second. Yeah.
That's half a minute, guys. If you
कुछ
just
डाल
wanna
के
know.
कुछ आप you are breaking something and scattering it. Dana. Do something else. Do an easier movie. Adab. Dua.
Writing.
लिखना.
Dua मांगना. पढ़ना.
Last 10 seconds.
Break it in.
और movie कर दे स्वाति. आंखें.
Eyes.
नयन.
That's
चक्षु.
time up. Thank you, guys.
Kajrani.
It was a wonderful effort from all of you. And with this, we can say that Toastmaster Sana is, I think, counting who won. Okay, I'll say that Team C is leading with 14 points, with that Team A with 13 points, and Team B with 12 points. There are no ties, there are no winners, but they are constantly leading the point table. Congratulations to Team C and congratulations to Swati for enacting such wonderful movies. And I hope you all enjoyed the session. There was some kind of learning and some kind lot of fun. With this, let's give the stage back to the Toastmaster of the day, Toastmaster Chehek. Great thank you from Toastmaster Sana and from me.
Thank you for such an exciting game session, Toastmaster Plash and Toastmaster Sana. And thanks for all the effort that you guys put in getting together these enjoyable activities for all of us. With that, I'd now like to hand over the stage back to our presiding officer, Toastmaster Rohan.
Thank you, Toastmaster Chek, for hosting such a lovely meeting. And I really liked the game session. And I think there was a bit of favoritism, but I think Team C won fair and square.
Then how is there favoritism?
Between Team A and B, I felt. We managed to beat Team B.
Lol.
I hope the president stops this kind of talks. We do not actually encourage such things.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, I think we should bring a close to this meeting. The meeting was really enlightening. We learned so many good movies, which I can now use for my Damsharads with family members and everybody else. So before we leave, I thought I'll just take a few, not a feedback as such, but few tips maybe from some of our experienced Toastmasters and as well as guests, people who have no idea about what a Toastmaster meeting is like, to get their real feedback on how we can improve ourselves. And to start with, I would like to ask my mentor, Toastmaster Anusha, to please say a few words about how we can take this club to new heights. And just before I think Toastmaster Anusha speaks, she needs no introduction. When I joined Toastmaster, she was the president of Toastmasters of Delhi. And she's been an excellent orator. She is someone who I look up to as far as speaking is concerned, and as someone who can give a lot of guidance and gyan about how to become a better orator. And I can share with you all that sometimes late night, I try and take tips from her on vocal training exercises, and she's been extremely helpful. And from her, I've learned a lot about the true meaning of being a mentor. So she's done basically all roles. She's been a club president, she's a distinguished Toastmaster, she is a champion in evaluation, and she's an excellent impromptu speaker. So the woman who dons many hats, please can you guide us, tell us, how do you think we as a new club can really take it to the next level and achieve new heights?
Thank you so much, Rohan, for that really exalted introduction. Wish I would live up to it. I just feel that the club is well on its way because the numbers are there. And if more numbers were to be added, it would make it even more invigorating. What I feel is that if a club adds any new segments once in a while, that lends it uniqueness. Like in our club, we have Pronunciomania, we have Hypothetica. So if you can take up, a unique segment which only your club has and which can be traced back to your club, your members will get the benefit of that. We have a session purely devoted to pronunciation, which is called Pronunciomania. We have Spello-Bee. We have Hypothetica, in which we have role playing. So this not only lends variety to the club, but it brings about invigoration in the people participating. And the quality of table topics is really important, because I've noticed that most of us tend to have oft repeated topics, which are very painful at times, I'm sorry to say. Like you have to imagine you're invisible and you have to go around, describing that. It's once you're invisible, it's fine. But if umpteen times you're invisible, you really wish you were invisible. So that's all I feel. I feel the efforts should be more towards quality and uniqueness, which would come about once you have set your mind to that. I wish you guys all the very best. And with you steering the club, I think it's going to be really well managed. And with Swati and with all the other invigorating members, I think it should go far. Thank you so much, Rohan. Back to you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Anusha. So 3 big takeaways for us: a new segment which can trace us back to NDTM, a new kind of table topics without being invisible, and lastly, ensuring that the quality of the club always remains intact. I think now it's time to take few tips from our club area director and our club mentor, Toastmaster Mohit.
Thank you so much, Rohan. I think enough has been said already about what all you can do to make this club reach greater heights. Without taking too much time, I would just like to say that you should try and keep the basics in place. The members' reasons for joining the club. That's the reason why the club exists and why the members join. So for the members to take some time out and write down why did they join this club or Toastmasters, and then sharing it with the club officers team. The club officers team in turn do everything possible to give opportunities for the members to reach their or achieve their goals in the process. There is a lot of opportunities that Toastmasters has to offer, various different roles you can play. Look beyond the club as well. So that would be the second thing I would like to say. Don't be just restricted to this club. There's a lot of activities, opportunities happening beyond the borders of the club. So be a part of the area level, division level, and onwards, whatever opportunities you get. I completely agree that you are already on the right path, and each one of you is already doing your bit. Every time I attend the meeting, there's so much that I take away, and wish you all the very best. And I'm going to support you in every possible way myself. Thank you very much. Back to you, Rohan.
Thank you too. Thank you, Mohit. Those were two valuable tips. Remembering the first principles, why the members joined in the first place, and look beyond the horizon. Look beyond this club as well. Those are two helpful feedback and comments which we'll certainly try and incorporate to the best of our ability. Thank you, Toastmaster Mohit. Now let's ask a guest who has no idea about Toastmaster and what was going on until she was part of the winning team. Can I request our guest Tanya to say something about the club meeting? How did she find it? Where do you think we can improve?
Hi, Rohan. Actually, I am a Toastmaster. I'm a president of Indiapuram Toastmasters Club, and I randomly saw a flyer on Toastmaster, on a session by Toastmaster Ankur Yadav, and I thought I should join instead of watching another episode of a TV show. So yeah, I ended up joining, and I missed it terribly. But nevertheless, it was a thoroughly entertaining session because I ended up playing a game which I haven't done before in a Toastmasters meeting. So it was amazingly well done, and I see that it is a new club, and I'm sure that I will join again next Sunday. We also have meetings on a Sunday in the mornings, but yeah, evenings are free. So instead of maybe catching up on a TV show, I would rather join this meeting. Thank you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Tanya, and pardon my ignorance. It was great that you were part of the meeting today, and I hope you had fun.
Yeah, I did. It was wonderful.
Thank you, Tanya. I think we have someone special again who's joined our meeting. This guy needs no introduction, and his name is actually a very powerful acronym. Toastmaster USA. Can you please say a few words? I'm not sure how much of the meeting you attended, but any tips, any wise ones for us, how we can take it forward?
Thanks a lot, Rohan. I just joined, just like Tanya. I saw this flyer on Facebook, and I think just 2-3 minutes back only, I have joined, and I have just witnessed the guest introduction. That's it. But yes, it's always fun to be back, and fun to be among you guys, and it's always feel very good, at least to me. Over to you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Umar Shankar. I hope you come to our meetings again and again and make us a better club. Thank you so much.
And on time also.
Sorry? You said something, Toastmaster Palash?
And on time also.
Whenever I'm there, Palash cannot keep quiet. He has this great habit.
That is the bond homie I think Palash has with you. So that even we can't control him at times. But thank you all. Thank you, Toastmaster Czech, for hosting the meeting so well. Today, I think there is no evaluation, there's no feedback, but my feedback to you all is it was a privilege to be a part of this meeting. I enjoyed this meeting thoroughly, and although this was in the midst of the festive season, but it was time well spent. Thank you, everyone. It was great being a part of this meeting. Good evening. Good night, actually. So we should sign off now.
Rohan, can we have some